Hi wonderful people, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome so much, and if you have not subscribed, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll join this growing family. And today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make soft mandazis, and these are the ingredients. I'm going to use lemon zest. I've grated 2 lemons, and I'm going to use 3 eggs. I'm also going to use 1 kg of self-raising wheat flour. I prefer this one because I do not have to mix flour and baking powder. It's really ready. I'm going to use these are 4 spoonfuls of sugar, and this is hot milk. I'm also going to use cardamom for flavor. Yeah, and I'm also going to use blue bands. Yeah, so guys, let's get into the process. So guys, I'm going to take 1 spoonful of butter or blue band. Then I'm going to put into the warm milk so that it can melt. I leave it that way for it to melt. I'm going to beat the eggs like that. After that, I'm going to add sugar. That's okay. Then I'm going to add this. And I'm going to mix. Then after that, I'm going to add the zest. And finally, the cardamom. Then I'll mix, or I'll stir. Then I'm ready to add the wheat flour. I'll be adding slowly by slowly, like that. Then I will use my hands to mix. So guys, our dough is ready, and I'm going to cover it with a damp cloth. and leave it to rest for about 30 minutes. Then we continue. So this is it, guys. That's how our dough looks like. We are done like that. Then we are making shapes. You can make shapes of your desired choice. You can make rectangular, triangular, or even circular. Like that. So guys, as the oil is getting heated, I'm going to prepare where I'll be putting the mandazis. Like that. So guys, you turn the mandazis to the other side when they develop a golden brown color. Welcome guys.